Hey Chris, this is Larry Powell with Circle P Marketing. I had talked to somebody on your guys' company Facebook page about sending over this screencast about how to improve your guys' rankings. So we'll dive into this and I'll kind of go over a quick rundown of your guys' Facebook page, and we'll kind of talk about, or not your Facebook page, but your website, and we'll kind of talk about how we can get this website a little bit more developed and ranking better, and then kind of look at some of your competition and what we can do to pass them up. So looking at your site, first off, the avocado toast sounds amazing. I would have never thought about putting goat cheese on there. Avocado toast is definitely a major staple food in my household. So that's a super good idea. We're going to have to try that out. I wish we were closer to Maryland and I would just come try it out myself. But looking at your site, it is very basic. Coming from searching, this is the first thing that pops up. So it is very basic. One thing I did kind of have a hard time with was kind of navigating. So you do have this home button, which takes you to this awesome picture. But it'd be nice if this was a little bit more developed as far as, you have some more information about Cannon Coffee on here, make it scrollable, add some more content, and pictures and stuff onto this. You click on the Learn More tab, and then it takes you to your Facebook page. So what I would like to see is actually putting, some more information on this page, or, have this Learn More, connect to another page on your website, to where they're learning more without having to go to your Facebook page. Looking at what I was searching today is coffee shops in Hagerstown, Maryland. This is called the GMB, which you're probably familiar with. So this is very valuable, especially for like a coffee shop, where people are coming to your location. People are going to be searching coffee shops in Hagerstown, Maryland, and they're going to be going most likely to one of these top 3 or whatever's closest to them. But so getting your site ranked into this top 3 is very valuable for you guys. I have you guys currently sitting at 11th for this search term. You guys are doing really well for your ratings. 4.9, 49 reviews. That's super awesome. Congratulations on that. That's definitely something to be proud of. You have higher ratings than a lot of these other people. They do have more reviews, but that overall rating definitely helps you guys out. Googling Cannon Coffee Hagerstown. If you actually, this was also, I thought was kind of interesting. If you hit the website button here, it actually takes you, it didn't do it this time. Earlier it took me to a page that said it was not available, so I'm not sure what's going on there. So yeah, but I don't know if that was from a different link or what it was, but yeah, earlier it took me to a actually not available page. It said it wasn't built on your site yet. But going back here for just a sec, obviously you guys do have your website here, and then you do have your Facebook page, which is great. The Facebook page, lots of likes on there. That'll really help you guys out. Looking at some of the competition for coffee shops in Hagerstown, Maryland. Rooster Moon Coffee House is the top rated behind Yelp. Yelp is really actually pretty easy to pass up 99% of the time, because Google really prefers to put the mom and pop shops like coffee shops ahead of these big giant national listing sites. So really claiming that top spot. You might think, oh, Yelp, oh crap, what am I going to do there? But it's actually a lot easier than you would imagine to pass those guys up. So looking at Cannon Coffee, or Rooster Moon, sorry. Rooster Moon, they have a little bit more developed site. There's definitely more to it. Lots of pages, which is good. So really what you'd be looking for in your site as far as developing that out is adding in more pages and more content, which is 2 things that Google really looks at for who's going to get into these top spots. So just developing that site out and making it better than what Rooster Moon has would really help you guys. I have this tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. And what Ahrefs allows me to do is look at kind of the inner workings of what causes your site to be ranked. So we have what's called backlinks, and the best way to describe backlinks is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So site A links to site B, and in turn you get what's called backlink juice back to your site. And so what you're looking for is do follow backlinks and do follow domains. So they have 26 do follow backlinks and 8 do follow domains. Looking at what you guys have going on, you have 14 do follow backlinks, 6 do follow domains and 14 do follow backlinks. So they do have more of those do follow links and domains, which is helping them out with the rankings. Combined that with the little more developed website is kind of what's putting them over you guys in the rankings. Looking at Pura Vida Coffee, which was the second ranked, they just have this basic homepage, so it's not too much, but they do have a lot more overall pages. The site just has a lot more to it than what you guys are offering with yours. This is not hard stuff to do as far as developing your site out. It's nothing special. This is just menu listed out. I mean, it's nothing that they're doing anything special. It's just they have more on their sites right now. Kind of diving into theirs, they currently have 56 backlinks from 14 referring domains. 8 of those are do follow domains, and 20 of those are do follow backlinks. So they're outplaying you here when it comes to doing the work to get these sites ranked. So the last thing I wanted to show you, there's kind of a couple different factors when it comes to getting your guys's business into this map pack. And I kind of talked about how valuable that is, especially with people doing mobile searches. So one part of that is where you're at in the organic rankings. And I actually couldn't find you guys anywhere on page 1 here or page 2. So a big part of that is where your site is at organically. And then another part of that is what's called citations. And a citation is any mentioning of your business on the web, name, address, and phone number. So I have this other cool tool I use called Whitespark. And what Whitespark allows me to do is see exactly how many citations you have out in the web. So Cannon Coffee, you guys have 35. Rooster Moon Coffee House has 34. So if your guys' website was ranking better, I could almost guarantee you that you guys would be in this top spot just because of where you're at citations wise. I mean, you're right there with where he's at. Improving your rankings, improving that website a little bit would really help you guys out and get you into this map pack and get you into this #1 spot here for Google search. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out. I'll help however I can. Sorry for the length of this. I usually try to keep it to about 5 minutes. But there's a lot of good information I wanted to send your way. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.